Welcome back to Rob's Daily Classics. Found this 2006 Jaguar XK8 Victory Edition convertible. It's on Bring a Trailer. It's got 1 day to go. It's currently at $8,500. The car was attempted to be sold in 2022 on Bring a Trailer. At the time, this car had 22,000 or 23,000 miles. So this car has a little Bring a Trailer history. So let's go check this interesting car out. At the time, I was a Jaguar. Well, not that time. I think I gave up the Jaguar dealership by 2006. But it definitely had a lot of experience with this car as a dealer. And as the car has aged, they actually got a little better. So a lot of people didn't like these Jaguars because they felt that they were Fords. But, you know, the bottom line is Ford owned Jaguar, Land Rover, Volvo, Aston Martin at the time with the Premier Auto Group. And they were a lot of presence there. I mean, this is what Ford was doing. So these cars had a good reliability index as they aged with, you know, some electrical gremlins and power top gremlins. And, you know, I remember one of the biggest problems we had was the automatic transmissions when this car first came out. But I think by then that ZF 6-speed automatic transmission was certainly more reliable and has that J-gate shifter. Automatic transmission was the only way you can get these cars, and but the car had a lot of performance. It was fast, 0 to 60 in 6 seconds, 294 horsepower, and it's normally aspirated trim. The car was available in a supercharger setup as well. So if you're looking for a car that could be a nice driver for the springtime, a very solid car, very safe car in its own design too, because it's pretty solid, it's pretty heavy. You know, a car tracks really well, and it has a design. I think the look of this car is really enduring. I mean, I don't think you can get better look than that. And, you know, it has a lot of Aston Martin to it when you get in it. So that's not by mistake either. So, but a really good looking car. The Victory Edition basically was celebrating some wins that Jaguar had in the Trans Am series. It had a special checkered front hood badge. It had 19-inch alloy rims, so those rims here that you see are unique to the Victory Edition, and the interior had some soft leather with some special piping and things like that. So, yeah, a lot of car here, folks. I mean, for the money, this car is right now at $8,500, ends in 1 day. The previous listing was back in 2022. The car got to $20,650, but there was a reserve, so this car was not sold. This car is in Virginia at the time in 2022, and now this car is in Maryland. So I'm not sure if these two people are the same or how this dealer acquired this car, but those are the questions you can ask. The seller appears to be very responsive on all the questions below. So, you know, ask your questions, do your homework if you're interested in bidding on this car. And like everything else, you know, buyer beware, you know. But I love these cars. I can only recommend these cars. Especially cars with such low miles like this. I think you'd have a lot of fun with it. They're not inexpensive cars. You don't have to put $5,000 on the side to put into it. Find a good local technician that knows these cars, and you know, parts probably be more expensive than a BMW, of course, and things like that. But they're going to be, you know, you're going to get some smiles with this car by owning it. So I think you'll have more fun with this car than you'll have misery. Let's put it that way. So, and I know people will tell you differently, but I'm just telling you my experiences. So whatever. But that's it, folks. This is a 2006 Jaguar XK8 Victory Edition. If you like this car, go check it out on Bring a Trailer. This car has really nice eyes. I think it has a good look to it. He just says, I think he says in the description there's some blems in the hood, so you'll want to find out what that is as well. So if you like this video, please subscribe to Daily Classics. That's how we grow. And if you have friends that love cars and you want to show them that you're thinking about buying a Jaguar so he can tell you don't do it, you know, please share this video with friends that love cars as well. And that's how we grow. Thanks very much for joining me today. We'll have more videos as the day goes on.